Hi guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today we have a new job update for all the freshers and experienced graduate. The important part of this job update is that this job will be a permanent work from home job. It means you can start and you can continue your day-to-day work from your home location only. No need to visit any location. Also, this job is for the freshers graduate and any graduate can apply for this role. So, if you want to get all the details regarding the job, I am requesting you, please do not skip any part of this video. In this video, I will explain how you can apply for this job and how you can get the call from the HR team. So, please stay tuned with the video and check all the detailed parts so that you can prepare your resume, you can apply for this job and you can easily clear this work from home job. So now, without wasting any time, let's jump into the screen and let's discuss about the job. This is Ms. Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today there is a new work from home based job update from Amazon company. So the job role is transportation representative. It will be an entry level role and freshers and experienced both can apply for this opportunity. Also it will be a complete work from home based job, and also if you can clear the job you will get a desktop or laptop from the company, and also will get the internet allowance from the company. So if you have completed your graduation you can apply for this opportunity. Let's discuss about the job description, and also I will provide you the job details and apply link in the video description area so that after watching the video you can apply for this opportunity. So here in description they have mentioned all the details about the job. The important area of this section is summary of responsibilities. So here they have mentioned 4 to 5 points which will be mainly non-technical points. Any graduate can apply for this role, so if you don't have any technical knowledge you can still eligible for this opportunity. Here they have mentioned basic qualifications. So they have mentioned graduation in any specialization from any recognized university. So if you have done graduation you can apply for this opportunity. Communication skill required: excellent communication in English language, ability to communicate correctly and clearly with all customers, comprehension skill, concentrate, follow customer issues without distraction, resolution, excellent typing skills, Outlook, Microsoft Word, Internet Explorer. So these are some basic skills and you should know about these skills. If you have all the skills, please mention it in your resume and then apply for this role. Preferred qualification is logistics background and experience in similar role and profession in Excel. These are the preferred qualifications. So if you don't have this qualification, still you can apply for this role. Now here then they have mentioned India, TS means Telangana states, which is the main location of the job, and then they have mentioned virtual. It means it will be a work from home based job and the interview will be also in online mode. So if you can crack the interview you can start your job from your home location. So that's all about the job update. If you are interested for this opening, please check the description area and you can apply for this opportunity. If you have any doubt or query you can ask me in the comment section. I will resolve your doubt as soon as possible. And if you are new to this channel and if you want to get regular job update, please subscribe the channel and stay tuned with us. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye. If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care. Bye.